In precision manufacturing, every tool has a story. When a customer sends a new order, it often comes with a technical drawing. That drawing contains critical information: tool numbers, revision codes, material specifications, customer references, and dimensional tolerances. All of this data needs to be logged into the company's product lifecycle management system before any work can begin. This intake process is highly manual and time-consuming. An engineer opens the email and downloads the attachment. They read through the drawing carefully, looking for all the required fields. They then open the PLM system and create a new record from scratch. They type in the tool number, the division, the customer name, the material codes, and a dozen other required fields. If any information is missing or ambiguous, they must go back to the customer and ask for clarification. This back and forth can take hours or even days. And with multiple engineers handling different customers, there is no consistent process. Some fields get filled in differently by different people. Records are incomplete or inconsistent. Downstream processes are delayed because the data is not ready. The average cycle time for a single drawing intake can stretch to several hours of engineering time. That is time that could be spent on actual engineering work, designing, optimizing, and solving real problems. Instead, it is spent on administration. Flowform automates this entire workflow, from the moment the email arrives to the moment the record is ready for review. It monitors the company's inbox continuously, around the clock. When a new drawing arrives, it reads the email and the attached file simultaneously. It classifies the intent. Is this a new tool drawing, a revision to an existing record, or something else entirely? It extracts all the required fields from the drawing and the email, using intelligent document understanding. It searches for the customer in the system and links the record automatically. It checks whether a tool number already exists to avoid creating duplicates. It verifies that the revision code matches what is expected. If the confidence on any field is below the acceptable threshold, it flags the item for human review rather than making an assumption. For everything it is confident about, it creates the tool drawing record directly in the PLM system, with all fields populated correctly and consistently. The engineer receives a notification that the record is ready for their final review and approval. No manual data entry. No searching for customer numbers. No switching back and forth between email and the PLM system. Just a clean, complete, and consistent record waiting for a final check. The system also handles edge cases gracefully. When a drawing contains unusual specifications or references an unknown customer, it pauses and asks for guidance rather than proceeding blindly. This keeps humans in control of the exceptions while automating the routine. Over time, the system learns from the patterns in the data, becoming more accurate and more efficient with every drawing it processes. The result is a dramatic reduction in intake cycle time, a consistent and fully auditable process across all engineers and all customers, fewer errors reaching downstream production, and a team that can focus on the work that truly requires their expertise: engineering, innovation, and customer relationships, not administration.